Hey everyone, welcome to the video. Today I'm just going to be doing a quick Squishmallow unboxing from Claire's, and the reason I got this order, I had been eyeing some 5-inch Disney Squish for a while, but I didn't really have enough for like the free shipping and I wanted to wait for a sale and stuff. But then I saw one of my Daisos that I've had for like a year, Noodles. They had Noodles, so I had to get Noodles, and then I finally got this Disney Squish. So the box just came today. It's a little small, so I'm kind of nervous that it doesn't have everything, but let's see. We're back in Mirror World today, so you can kind of see my plushie shelf in this alternate dimension behind me, but I did just get a brand new, really cute little bookshelf that I'm gonna put a bunch of plushies on, and it's gonna be the perfect filming location, so I should be there soon, but I'm still like decorating it and getting it together. So anyway, let's open this up. Yeah, okay, they're all here. I was scared. I don't know why this box looks very small. Okay, so let's start with the Disney Squish. I see one. Ah, it's Flounder. I love the little mermaid. So cute. Let's see. Oh, he's got like multiple tags, which I haven't really seen. Flounder. Like a little. Oh. I love him. I love the 5-inch size because then I don't feel bad when I buy them, you know? Like I don't need to worry that I'm getting too many because they're pretty small. 8-inch starts to get a little big. But yeah, I love Flounder. Look at his nose. Good embroidery. Oh, he's super cute, super little. I love him. Okay, next up, Lumiere. Ah! So cute! Oh, and this feels really cool. Like the embroidery is really cool. Here is the tag. Oh, it's so cute. Lumiere has some sentimental attachments because I have this symbolically adopted sloth that my partner donated to this sloth organization, and his name is Lumiere. So we also got a plushie along with it that we named Lumi. So I don't know, Lumiere just it has some nice associations, and it's just a really cute, cool plush. Okay, so I'm trying to prepare myself for this because I've been waiting for Noodles for such a long time, and he's here. It's Noodles! Oh, he's a little wrinkly. Oh, are you okay? Oh, Noodles is here. I don't know why I love Noodles so much, but, you know, it's a duck in a chicken costume. Just gotta get him a little de-wrinkled. Noodles. That's good. It's coming off. He'll be okay. The Squishmallow wrinkle thing can be a problem, but I will always love him because he is Noodles, and he's very soft. And I don't have any costume Squish, so this is fun. Hey, Noodles. Wrinkly Noodles. I'll fix him up. Okay, he's looking better, right? Okay, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Genuinely like so excited about Noodles. I don't know why. I saw it on the Claire's website like almost a year ago, and I think it like was sold out or had just sold out, and it didn't come back, and I didn't think it ever would. And then I saw it the other day at like 3 in the morning when I couldn't sleep, and I just like impulsively ordered Noodles. I impulsively ordered some Noodles in the middle of the night, and here he is. Oh my gosh. Okay, I gotta stop gushing about Noodles, but I love him. Okay, so here is my little haul, a little strange assortment, and a lot of yellow, actually. I don't think I had any yellow Squish before, but here they are, Disney and Noodles. Love them. Yeah, I had a pretty good ordering experience with Claire's. Came like in like a week, and I got the buy one, get one half off plushie sale, so it wasn't too expensive, and the free shipping over $30. So yeah, not bad, especially if you like the Squish from Claire's, and you know, they are more expensive than other ones. If you can get Claire's during like a good deal online, it works out pretty well. I am gonna display Noodles prominently, and he is my baby. And yeah, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe if you're enjoying the content, and we are very, very close to doing our 500 subscriber giveaway at this moment we're around 400 subscribers, so keep subscribing, keep an eye out. I already actually filmed the unboxing of the mystery Squishmallows that I got to show people like what they'd be getting in the giveaway and stuff. So that's already filmed, it's ready to post, ready to have people enter. So please keep watching, liking, subscribing, enjoying, and I will see you next time.